here with my inspiration. This is Miss Caitlin, and if you have not seen her channel, SimplyCaitlin, definitely check it out. So Caitlin obviously is one of my patients, and we're on labor and delivery, and we're gonna talk to you today about getting prepared for D-Day, the delivery date. So we're gonna just have a conversation, and one thing I want you to know is that Caitlin actually inspired this channel. So Caitlin and I met late last year, and she had shared with my nurse that she was a YouTuber. And I was like, wow, I'm so excited. One of my patients is a YouTuber. And so I immediately subscribed to her channel, and she had a video on how to degrease your oven. So I was watching the video and I got the stuff that she had. We're gonna go ahead and degrease this oven. And I learned how to degrease the oven watching her video. And then it, like a light bulb came on in my head, because I was worried about what was I gonna do during coronavirus to teach my patients. I am used to having groups of patients that get together and actually meet together, and we talk about everything and we do all this education. But with coronavirus, we couldn't do that. And I'm like, how am I gonna get my education out to my patients without spending an hour in every exam room? And just degreasing that oven, my light bulb popped on. And I was like, oh, if Caitlin can teach me to degrease an oven, I can teach women about pregnancy and birth and all sorts of women's health issues on YouTube. So that's how we got here today. So Caitlin, tell us a little bit about how you got started on YouTube.
I found myself really alone, and I knew that I wanted to offer something to other women because so many women are alone. And I just thought, okay, what can I do?
Am I missing my baby here?
Yeah, we need to put the baby back on.
Hey, Lisa.
We're probably gonna have to turn it just a little bit because she wanted to sit up somewhere.
Okay. If you pull it up a little bit, I think it's gonna fall right here. This time I kind of failed and I just pulled it up a little bit. And I was,
Okay, that's it. Help it.
yeah. I guess some more chill.
Well, then that was at about 4:30 or something like
So
that.
she checked one time after you.
Okay.
I know Alex checked one time after you.
Do you feel them?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
No, I haven't been feeling them though.
Right back off. A little bit more pressure. Good time it was.
Hello, little girl. Hi from us.
It was right before shift change, so it was like an hour ago. A little over an hour ago.
Let's see here.
Let's see if she kind of moved to the other side.
Yeah, I think she might have turned over. She was moving really good though. 2 minutes ago. I'm like, maybe I need to check her. Maybe the baby's
Coming down a little
coming
bit.
down, because we sat her up and then it was
Yeah, it's been a
gone.
little while and she was
Yeah,
really
let's check
thin.
this out. We might not make this video.
That's
Caitlin is a YouTuber, and she has this channel that's awesome called SimplyCaitlin.
Oh,
And
check it out.
I was doing, I was doing all that group education stuff, and when COVID hit, I was like, I can't do it anymore. So, I was watching her show on oven cleaning, and I don't know, like clicked in my head, I'm like, I could teach patients on YouTube.
Yeah.
So I started Monday night. Let's see how far up we can go without you coming, huh? That's awesome.
Holy moly.
Yeah, that pressure is hard to get rid of. And you'll feel that throughout the contraction. We'll have this talk after delivery.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go to it.
See you soon, girl gang. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below.